Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to sync data between your data source and Mapsly using the Zapier integration. This tutorial assumes that you've already connected a data source to Mapsly. Once your data source is configured and the initial dataset is loaded, disable data sync with this Google spreadsheet by turning this switch to off. Then, generate an API key to your newly created data source by following the steps on the screen. In this example, we'll be creating a Zap that will push a new contact from Airtable CRM to Mapsly's contact object. Our table only has the name and address columns, but you may sync any other columns to Mapsly. Now let's log into our Zapier account and create a new Zap. Click Create and select Zaps. First, we need to select our trigger. We will select Airtable. Let's set our trigger event to new or updated record. After that, let's sign in with our Airtable account and grant access. We also need to select the base in the table that we would want to sync with Mapsly. Now let's select Mapsly as the app for our action event. Select the Create/Update Record action event. Lastly, select the Mapsly account. You'll be prompted to enter your Mapsly API key, which we generated earlier in this video. After that, press Continue and then select the object. In our case, we will select the Contacts object. Now we need to simply map which fields we would want to sync with Mapsly. We will select the name and address fields, as well as the ID field, which is a required field. Finally, we can test our Zap. Let's verify that this record was successfully created. Once you confirm that the record has been successfully created, click the Publish button. Congrats! We've just completed the Zapier integration with Mapsly. Any created or updated records will now automatically sync to Mapsly. Alright, well, that is all for now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.